Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix we couldn't verify your country YouTube Premium. First, go to the Google account. Now select the payments and subscriptions. After that, select settings. Ensure your country or region is correct. If needed, update your country to match your current location. Make sure your credit or debit card or PayPal is registered in the same country as your Google account. If not, add new payment method from your current country. On the browser, clear cache and cookies, then restart your browser. On the YouTube app, go to Settings. Then select the apps and choose YouTube. Next, reach the storage and select the clear cache and data. Then reopen the app. Following that, turn off VPNs or proxy servers as YouTube may detect mismatched location data. Then retry accessing your YouTube Premium. Now open a private or incognito window and try subscribing to Premium. Sometimes browser extensions interfere with local verification. After that, restart your computer, phone, or tablet. Lastly, relaunch the YouTube app or website. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.